Stop paying for 10 different marketing tools that don't even talk to each other. You know the chaos. One login for your email campaigns, another for your CRM, a third for social media scheduling, and you're trying to track ad spend in some ancient spreadsheet. It's a complete mess. You have no idea what your actual ROI is because the data is disconnected, and you're just guessing where to put your money next while paying for a dozen different subscriptions. Now imagine one single platform, one login, one dashboard. You see a lead come in from a Google ad, watch the automated texts and emails go out instantly, and see them book a call on your calendar, all in the same place. This isn't a fantasy, it's what an all in one system is designed to do. It unifies everything. It combines your CRM, email, SMS, ad management, and even reputation management. Think of it as your AI powered command center. It automatically follows up with leads, sends out review requests to happy customers, and lets you see every single step of the customer journey. You can launch a new funnel, a text campaign, or a new offer in minutes, not days. This is how you get out of the marketing weeds. It's about having a single, reliable engine that shows you exactly what's working, saves you hours every week, and actually grows your business. You get clarity, you get results, and you can finally focus on what you do best.